What's up guys, in this video I'll share with you my documented journey with Streamqash Agency. So I decided to open a new account in order for me to share with you how to make money with Streamqash Agency. And in case you want to get started, I'll leave a link in description for you to open an account. So in this video I'll share with you how you can make money with Streamqash Agency and also share with you earning proof and how to withdraw money from Streamqash Agency. So make sure that you like this video and also subscribe to this channel for more quick and fastest ways to make money online in Kenya and also Africa and beyond. So let's dive into the video so that you can see how you can make money with Streamqash Agency. Guys, in this video, let me show you how Streamqash dashboard looks like. So you can see the account balance. This is the money that is in the account. Total withdrawal is the money that you have been able to withdraw, and also welcome bonus. So before we get started, let me share with you the legitimacy of the business. So this is a legit business. As you can see, people are making money, and let's see the certificate of incorporation. So this is the certificate of incorporation. So for you to do any business, you must be a legit business by registering and also paying taxes. So for you to make money with Streamqash Agency, you need a smartphone and internet connection. And there are various ways that you can make money with Streamqash. One is through affiliate marketing, where you'll make money through referrals. And also we have watching video ads. So let me show you. This is where you will watch videos on YouTube and earn money. Also TikTok videos, you will earn money. So for YouTube, you just go to YouTube videos, click watch. So you will see videos here, and then you click claim earnings for video 1. So you will click on claims earnings for video 1, and you can see you have successfully claimed your earnings for video 1. Same case to TikTok. You will come here, click watch, and then come and claims your earning. So you will click claim earnings for video 1, and also you can repeat the same process for video 2. So if you want to make money, you can check out the link in description to get started with Streamqash Agency. Also, you can make money by answering trivia question. Every Monday we have trivia question, so this is a chance for you to make 50 shillings or every Monday for free. So for you to make money, you need to register and also activate your account with 550 Kenya shillings. So that is around $4 only. And in this video, let me show you how you can withdraw money. So when you want to withdraw money, you will click withdrawals and click withdraw balance. So here you will select means in which you want to withdraw. So for me, I'll do with M-Pesa. We have Binance bank account, Airtel money. So M-Pesa, then I'll withdraw the amount of money I want. So, and they will charge 50 shillings. So request for withdrawal now. So you have successfully cashed out Kenya shillings 1150. Your payment will be delivered in time. So after withdrawing, you can go to the withdrawal history to see. So far I've been able to withdraw all this amount of money, and they charge 50 shillings. So if you want to get started, you can always check out the link in the description, activate your account. And now I'm just waiting for this money to be paid, and when it's paid, it will say paid. You will receive an email confirming your withdrawal. So let's go back to the dashboard and let's now see. As you can see, I have YouTube earning 70, TikTok 50, and also total withdrawal is 260. So when I get paid the 1150, it will show here. So guys, these are another way to make money online here in Kenya and Africa and beyond. So to create an account, you can go to the link and you will enter your full names, username, email, and phone number. Make sure that it's a legit phone number. Then you select your country here. You can also work internationally. So if you are in Kenya, click Kenya, and also enter your password. and click on accept terms and condition, register, and that is it. Very simple, and start making money online with Streamqash, and you will be paid through M-Pesa or any other means that you select. So these are legit business for anyone who is just on TikTok, YouTube, or even Instagram and WhatsApp. So this is the best business you can do right now, and it's cheap. So guys, that is how Streamqash Agency works. Like and also subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and videos on how to make money online.